So over here you can see that I have a slide, and if I were to go ahead and click on present, what happens is that it opens up the slide. And if I were to click on it, what happens is that it plays through the animation. So the texts, they appear together, and then the logo appears, it spins, and then it disappears, which is the animation order that we applied in the last lesson. So now let's say if I want to change around the animation order and even the duration, I can go ahead and do so by clicking on one of the elements and by going into the animate option. Once I do that, what happens is that over here you can see that the transition is set to slide from right. This is the order. So this happens first, and then we have the object animation. So what happens is that the object, the title, it flies from the left, and then it flies from the bottom. The tube text flies from the bottom, and then we have fade in of the logo, then we have the spin, and after that we have fade out. Let's say what I want to happen is that I want the logo to appear first. So what I can do is I can simply drag this up right here on the top, and let's see what happens now. So it fades in first before the title. So let's just go ahead. So I want it to happen just like that. So once I click on present, what happens is that you can see that the logo fades in right ahead. And as I click, the other accents happen right here. It disappears, as you can see. So let me just escape this out. And then what I'm going to do now is, let's say I want the spin to happen before as well. So you have fade in and you have spin. And if I were to click on present, now what happens is that you have the logo and you have the spin, as you can see right there. And as I click with the mouse button, the text pops up and then the logo disappears. I can go around and let's say I want it to happen first. If I were to click on present, you can see that the logo comes up, it rotates and it fades. And as I click, the text pops up right over there. So that's how you work around with the order. And if you want to work around with the duration, let's say you want the fade to happen a bit slower, you can go ahead and let's say this fade should take around 3 seconds right here. Maybe the spin, I want it to happen really fast. So I'm just going to go around into 0.2 seconds. Now let's see what happens. If I were to click on present, you can see that the fade becomes slower. The spin is quite fast, and then it goes back, fades back right there. And that is how you can work around with the animation duration and order in Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.